Good morning. Alright, y'all. So today we just woke up. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. We're going with Pierre to Paris right now so we can do his thing. That's where we're gonna be staying majority of the time. It's a beautiful day in France. It's kind of cold right now though. I'm not gonna hold y'all.
Prochain arrêt, La Boissière.
Right now, we're just trying to buy tickets for the subway because we're following Pierre to the gym today. Slide through. Just walking around right now. The spot that we at right now kind of cool. I've been peeping the graffiti here. It's super fire. That ass reminds me of New York, other than the canal. The sun out today, y'all. And after this, after we get done with whatever we're doing, Pierre's about to show us the spots, and then yeah, he'll take over from there. That don't smell so good too. He's training these kids right now. So me, Ethan, probably just gonna be in the background, chilling, doing our own thing. Two killers right here. So I'm probably just gonna like work out in the background because I low-key don't feel right not doing nothing here.
Ethan checks up the ball to Red Shorts. Red Shorts has it at the top. Oh, he steps back with a three. Is he making it? Bang in his face. Holy shit in his muffin top. Blue shirt checks it up to Red Shorts right now. Had no idea what he was going to do. Jab through. Oh, he's going to go through. Step back again for a midi. Skip it up. Wowzers, boys. What am I telling you? We are some killers here tonight. Now, we got Ethan over here trying to argue what the score is. God damn it, Ethan. Just check up the ball. You're losing. Now, let's see what he has in store for us tonight for Red Shorts, because Red Shorts is that Marcos in the back? Oh, Jesus Christ. Now he's about to go through jab, jab, jab. Oh, come through that lane, spin around, put him in a blender, and lay me up for a bag of Fritos. Now, I'd like to thank you guys for tuning into this segment. If you guys want an update on these great basketball players, make sure to follow Takeoff B-Ball, and don't forget to subscribe to Marcos Too Wavy. Too Wavy.
Hey, Pierre, can you tell her that I think she look good?
He said that's really nice of y'all, and she said that you're welcome. That you said that everything looked good here.
No, I want to say that she look good. So I said, Pierre, tell her she look good. It's the first croissant.
The croissant.
Let's see what we're talking about.
Croissant.
De fond. El diablo, loco. Yo, this is fire. It kind of tastes like a fun. Appreciate you, bro.
Good look, bro.
Pretty flaky, very soft center, very buttery too.
Still warm too.
Still kind of warm. Overall, what is smiling for?
Alone, bro.
The front smiling? Get that out of here. I'm so down here so boing. This croissant is hitting my soul right now. What y'all think?
What you say this croissant doing?
Hitting my soul.
Like you said, this shit hit my throat right now. Fire. Better than any croissant I ever got in America for shit, so.
You don't know the one? I mean,
said, I'm French, it's regular.
I ain't mean to call you no but shit is good.
I can kiss that girl right now. She was so good.
Kind of.
Let me get some of that water, bro.
The fact that you almost said it right made it even funny.
I almost said it right?
Yeah.
We're at some Caribbean restaurant in France or in Paris, and I'm not sure if I should get like, what should I order? This all looks kind of good. Sobe coco des Antilles.
A smoothie. Frappé.
Chiro.
Chiro de chocolat.
Tiramisu Nutella speculoos.
That's actually really good. That's pretty good.
That was pretty good. I'm gonna get something to drink now.
I got a Pierre said that this one was good.
I don't know what this says, so I'm gonna order it though. It's the food right here. I already took the first bite of it. Kind of spicy, guys. But it's looking kind of good though. That's fire. I don't even know what this is.
You probably got some nasty. You got plenty?
Yeah. It smells like black licorice. Here. What flavor is this?
It's a flower. I don't even know.
I'm about to say it. I don't know what this tastes like.
1 hour later.
Marco Sierra 92.5 The Light. I'll let you guys take some time to subscribe while we wait. Thank you.
Pierre's gonna show us the
Like a high school?
mall, and hopefully we could go cop something from there. The fit is pretty calm right now. Regular collar t-shirt with some jorts. Ethan got the jorts on as well. This looks pretty nice around here. What's this called, the area?
La Défense.
Say it again?
La
La
Défense.
La Défense.
There's more here. The rest of them like big businesses.
It looks like smell like Vegas.
For real?
Yeah. Just hella cigarettes.
Ooh, cigarettes. Look, y'all. Alright, this is the mall we're in. What's the mall name?
Quatre temps.
Say it one more time.
Quatre temps.
There goes Zara right here.
Quatre temps. It's a big ass mall. H&M's right there. What I've been peeping is that the stores here, they got that on inside. Like the fits here be fire. But I look and need help putting it on. I don't know what exactly we're gonna cop. I'm just trying to see like if there's anything that I want, if that's something that catches my eye. These are fire. Alright, I ain't gonna lie, this had me confused as so I wanted to get a shirt. We had to put it in the basket. And I was so confused. I'm like, yo, how do we scan this shit? Yo, so we caught the t-shirt. It's a regular black t-shirt. I know it's the same I would get in the US, but it's different, y'all. It's from France. Did you pay it? I said I did indeed pay. Oh, you have receipts? I said I do have receipts. The Dominican me gotta say something. Press it and just drop it in. Drop it in there. No, drop it in. Okay.
Can you?
Nah, drop it in. Nah, drop it in.
They don't give you no bag?
I don't know. Oh, right here. That's what I was talking about, y'all.
Bro, I can't read this. What a guy.
Put it on American.
Wait, I ain't even put that in there yet. How I know I got that? I ain't even put this in there.
Nah, that's actually crazy.
Oh, cameras. Get me wrong.
All this walking, y'all, got me pretty tired. But I still want to low-key explore the mall. And I look, I ain't gonna lie, what I do I want to cop some shoes, but not from here though.
Why?
I don't want like running shoes or shit like that. Like low-key, like not like these, but like
Pierre's or like yours?
these, like this, but like
I can't see if you're pointing at your foot or at Pierre's foot.
like these here.
On your feet?
If the shoe fits. I got my boy Pierre here, you know what I'm saying? It's just such a pleasure, man. It's such a blessing to have him here, am I right?
So fake in front of the camera, bro. When the camera started, he was like, yeah, fuck you, that shut up, and all that.
Hey, I still stand on that, but it is still a blessing to be this here. One of the main things that I'm trying to do while I'm here is try wine, but I don't know where exactly to try that at. I'm not sure if they just serve that at regular shops and shit. You know? I'm glad I low-key changed this shirt, bro, because the other shirt was not hitting, to be honest. Pierre's sitting down at the table. I'm just gonna walk around this whole thing. I look at when to talk to people, but I don't want to be rude or nothing, because I'm not sure if that's like regular French. I'm pretty sure you don't talk to regular people in French people culture. Shit, we'll see, bro. Shit, I want to meet some people that are cool here. I'm gonna try crepe. I don't know what this just says. Switch place. Importar. Pretty sure it means to go.
Marquois.
You see, I just got through that whole thing. I basically speak French, but here I've been eating hella sweets. That's what I've been peeping. I've been eating hella sweets for a fact. Yeah.
Ooh. Slow down. Wow. Ease up on. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit. Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
I knew she knew I didn't know French, or
Shut up and just try it, bro.
she didn't know.
I knew she didn't know I didn't know French.
Yeah. And because she started talking to me in French. Like English, I don't know.
Just listen down. Listen.
What? God damn, this shit good, boy.
He said that he would be like hella protests tomorrow.
Yeah.
What are the protests for?
I don't even know.
Just going out there to protest.
He said, no, man.
No more what?
We don't know.
Imagine one of y'all just farted right now.
I did.